What's up, goodies, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I revived my curls after having a silk press. I had it laid, okay? It was looking a little something like this, and it was late to the gods. But it was time to bring back my curls. I like my straight hair. I mean, I don't really straighten my hair that often, maybe like once or twice a year, if that. But I'm always a little bit nervous, like, oh my gosh, what are my curls gonna look like after this? Like, I'm just scarred from having heat damage, honestly. So anywho, I want to get right into it. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? And hit me with a little like, and let's get started. So I'm starting on wet hair. I just prepped it because I'm going to use this Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Now, I love this product. Shout out to Suli because she is the one that put me onto it. Basically, what it does is it reduces any damage or breakage, and it visibly strengthens hair. And I say that because after one use, I saw less shedding with my hair. So I'm using this. I don't use it every single time, but I'm using this right now since I just had my hair straightened. So in case there was any heat damage, I mean, I'm hoping no, but in case there was any little, any areas that were particularly hit hard with the heat, I use this, and it also protects your hair structure, which is great. Also, this has a pH of about 3.5 to 5, which is perfection because your scalp is actually acidic. It's about 4.5 to 5, and your hair shaft is even more acidic at an average of like 3.67, between 3.5 and 4. So there are a lot of hair products that are actually basic, like some shampoos and things like that. So using this is really just good overall for your hair, just keeping it strong and keeping your curls nice and healthy. I'm gonna get every last drop, you understand? But yeah, I just section my hair out and I apply it in sections. The only thing that's kind of annoying about this is the bottle is pretty small, so it literally will last me 2 washes and then I have to re-up. But yeah, you can use it every time you wash if you feel like your hair is pretty damaged, but you don't have to. I'm gonna leave this in for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to follow it up with the True Textures Moisture Replenish shampoo from Mizani. This shampoo, while it's super hydrating, it always makes my hair feel clean, which is something I really look for in a shampoo, because I just need, I need my hair to feel clean. I need it not to feel like there was buildup and oily. I need it all gone because I'm going to replenish it with my leave-in and everything, but I just need to have it all clean. So I love the shampoo. It's also rich in antioxidants, which we love, and it's silicone, sulfate, and paraben free. Then I'm going to add the True Textures Moroccan Clay Steam Mask. This is really good for curly / coily hair, and it's supposed to hydrate and define. So I'm gonna add that to my hair section by section. You know the vibes. I find that it's just easier to make sure that I'm coating every strand if I do it in sections versus just trying to apply it to my whole big old head. So I'm doing it on damp hair. I find that the more wet my hair is when I'm applying a product, whether that be my leave-in or my mask, the better my hair absorbs it. So in this case, my hair wasn't super wet, but it was definitely damp enough for me to apply it everywhere and get the things going. then I'm just gonna sort of detangle as I go. If you notice, I haven't used a comb yet. I'm strictly finger detangling here. So once it's all covered, my hair is all covered in the product, I'm just gonna put on a shower cap and let that sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, so on to the next step. I'm gonna go in with Mizani's 25 Miracle Cream. This thing smells so freaking good. That's first and foremost. I really like how this leaves my hair because my curls are defined, but also there's volume, which I like a lot. So I'll usually just leave this and follow it up with an oil. There's literally water dripping down my face because I barely dried my hair at all. Like I mentioned before, I find that the wetter my hair is when I apply product, the better it absorbs and the better my hair looks for styling. And then if I have to refresh, there's like another set of steps I do. But this usually holds me down. This is definitely a solid wash and go for a couple of days. And again, doing everything section by section. And then I kind of just let it air dry. Sometimes it takes a full day. Actually, usually it takes a full day for it to be like completely dry how I want. But as you can see, it's already pretty defined and looking healthy. And then once it's all dry, I'm going to add the 25 Miracle Nourishing Hair Oil by Mizani, obviously. And I love this oil because it's super lightweight. It has jojoba, coconut, olive, and sunflower oil. And it's just good to lock in the moisture and add a little shine. And this is the finished look. Here are my curls after a silk press. Silk press wear, heat damage wear. Alright, see y'all in my next video.